Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather sandbags, heavy plastic, plywood, a submersible pump, and basic tools so you can act before water rises. Once ready, focus on low entry points, doors, garage seams, and basement windows, and build a temporary barrier with sandbags topped by plastic sheeting to shed water. Make sure to elevate furniture and move valuables upstairs. This prevents damage and gives you space to work. Shut off electricity at the main, only if water is approaching outlets to avoid shock while you install barriers. Once the initial line is up, reinforce it. You should stack sandbags in a brick pattern, slope the outside face to deflect flow, and tuck plastic sheeting under and behind bags to stop seepage. Make sure to seal visible foundation cracks with hydraulic cement and apply a bead of waterproof sealant around door frames. This prevents slow leaks that undermine barriers. Also install temporary door sweeps and direct downspouts and hoses away from the house. These small details keep pressure off your main barrier and reduce infiltration risk. Finish by setting up pumps to keep water from pooling against barriers and position discharge at least several meters away. Run hoses uphill or into storm drains if allowed. Once water recedes, dry and disinfect all wet areas to prevent mold, and inspect foundations, electrical panels, and HVAC when safe. If you see persistent seepage or structural movement, don't improvise. Evacuate if necessary and call professionals. Troubleshooting tip: if water bypasses your barrier, lower pressure points by adding more sandbags and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.